Okay, I should be on pole. My first lap in qualifying was quick enough for pole, went off track. My second lap in qualifying, quick enough for pole, went off track. So I'm at the back. So not good. So I've got some pace, so I think if I can sort of get near the front, I could keep with them. Obviously, that's not a good start. Okay, so I've got a bit of damage, I guess. Have I? I don't know.
Stay on the right.
I haven't got the meatball flag. Is the car okay? Got some X's. Oh, God. Right, I need to get with this group. Otherwise, I'm going to get left behind. Oh, dear. Not good. This is the problem with starting at the back, isn't it? Have I got any damage? It's not telling me I have. Okay, well, let's claw our way back up if we can.
There's an incident ahead. Go left. Go left. Car
okay,
right.
It's two more. See what we can do. We've got to make up places now and get close to them now whilst they're sort of tripping over each other, because once they get going and they're in the slipstream, we've had it. I think. Okay, we're fifth, which is okay, but we need to be with this group. And this is where I kept having off tracks, trying to go through here flat. And I just couldn't quite do it. I got my turn in wrong every time. Because it can be flat, but I just didn't quite get my turn in. So, guy behind's got a slipstream, so he's going to catch up. 3 seconds behind, so I need them.
You're in fifth.
I need them to battle a little bit so I can catch them. Let's see. See if I can. I want to get away from this guy behind. I don't want him in my slipstream, really. So I don't want to battle him, because that'll slow us both down.
10 minutes to go.
Okay, 10 minutes to go. 1 lap in. Who knows? We might get on terms with them. If we're lucky. Yeah, he's closing in again, isn't he? Really don't want to be battling with him unless we can work together and leapfrog. Which we might be able to do.
Slow car ahead. Car stopped ahead.
There's somebody off. Completely messed up my line through there, but anyway. And he's closing again, so 3.1 seconds, so we haven't really closed, have we? And it has put that guy a second behind the leaders. So it's messed his race up as well. I can see somebody blinking, and I saw on Facebook earlier that there's going to be a change to the way iRacing works, and it's going to get rid of the blinkers, hopefully. Anyone with a bad connection. We'll see. So 28 should be in the 27s, can even do 26s, really. This guy's going to go by, isn't he? So yeah, we're just going to be battling, which is a real pain in the neck.
Car right. Clear.
Really want that. Okay, stay behind, that's good. 2.8 behind, so we've closed up a little bit. We really do need to get closer. If we can. So he's going to feel like he's a lot quicker than me because he's behind. He's got this massive slipstream. I think I could probably get away from him if there wasn't the slipstream. So let's see if we can go a bit quicker through here, because we were really put off our line last time round. Which didn't help. Yeah, you can see the difference that makes. Still 3 seconds though. Oh, he's back in the slipstream, so that's why. And they're only 3.4 seconds behind, so actually we are catching them. Has somebody blinked out again? Like they have, doesn't it? He's on the gravel, so that's going to slow him down. He hasn't lost too much time. So they're all battling. So this could be...
27.6.
This could be our chance.
Just set your fastest lap of the session. The car in P3. Just set the fastest lap. 27.468.
So we're going as quick as them, and they've got a slipstream and we haven't. 2.4 seconds now, so we closed up there. Guy behind is sticking with us, so I think he's being sensible. Can we get on terms? And it is flat out through there, so I don't know why they need to go on the gravel. He obviously feels quicker, doesn't he? Don't do it. Don't do it, my friend. Stick behind. Let's catch them. Now, how close are we? 2.5, so we're closer, aren't we? We're going to run out of time, though. We've got that big slipstream that we don't have. Tiny lift. Okay, well, if he's going to go by, then we'll let him by, and we'll see if we can use his slipstream.
27.801. Car right. The car in P5 just set the fastest lap. 27.363. Still there, hold your line. Clear on the right.
Okay, he backed out of it. The problem is it's costing us time, isn't it? Follow me, George, and we'll catch them. Whether he's going to listen or not, I don't know. We're not too far away, are we? We're getting closer. Tantalisingly close now. And just pick up that slipstream.
5 minutes to go.
We'll be there. It's deceptive, isn't it? I thought we were a lot closer then, but we're not really. Ugh. Okay, he's a lot further behind this time. So hopefully we won't be battling him. They're still going side by side, which is good. That's going to sort of keep them occupied, but we're just not getting there, are we? We're just not getting there. .8 seconds. If only we could just get a tiny bit closer. So that guy's dropped off the back a bit, hasn't he? Just get his slipstream.
The car in front.
Okay, he's tried to do too much.
Clear on the right.
So there's only two of them now, so we're third. We're on the podium, which is not bad. I mean, that's good if they battle through there, because that slows them both down onto the straight. That does. So that's good news for us if they've done that. 2.1, 2 seconds, so we can just get into it. We can just get there.
27.929. You're now in third. The leader just did a 28.666. The next car's the leader.
Ugh, messed up that braking zone, didn't we? Yeah, don't battle, George. Slow us both down. Nearly there. Let's take as straight a line as I can.
You're gaining on the car in front.
Are we there?
The gap is 1.6 seconds.
We're nearly there, aren't we? We're nearly there. Oh, so close. 1.5. Come on. Come on. It's not enough, is it? Come on. Yeah, I need them to battle. I need to get this breaking point absolutely dead on. I'm going to discourage George from coming by because I'm going to take the inside.
3.
Let's see if we can get on them. We're nearly there, aren't we? Nearly there. We might be nearly there. Oh, 1.3 seconds. Okay, if I can get onto them in this section, and as long as George doesn't do anything silly. Are we on them? We're in a second. We're in a second. Come on. Oh, we're in a second and we're second. .8. Right. 0.8.
Got about 5 laps of fuel.
Okay, so it's now us three for the win.
White flag, white flag.
And it's the white flag. And we're in the slipstream. Oh my god, what do I do? Do I go for it now?
27.562.
Oh, a bit far back. It's going to be a bit of a send, isn't it?
You're in second position.
Be a bit of a send from here. Not what we want to do. Can we get him next lap? We're here anyway. We've made it. George is there. I mean, what's George going to do? Is he going to make a run for it?
Car on your left. Stay on the right. Still there, hold your
Oh, he didn't make the corner and he pushed me off. That's not nice. That's not nice. Well, we'll look at the replay, but that's not nice.
2.3 seconds.
I know I was trying to go around the outside, but he just braked as late as he could and pushed me off. That's a Max Verstappen tactic, that is. Oh well. That's a shame. Let's look at the replay. Well, all that work to get there and then... Yeah, oh well. Happens. Good race anyway. Shame at the start. Shame about qualifying.
The car behind is closing.
There we go. Okay, well, let's have a look at that replay, shall we?
Car stopped on the right.
Okay, so here's that replay then. So, yeah, I got a good run here. I'm sort of sending it round the outside to see what he's going to do. Get round the outside and we brake and he's... Yeah, well, it didn't look so bad from that angle, did it? Didn't look so bad from that angle. Racing incident, I guess. Let's have a look from here. Yeah, I mean, he did. He locked up and then pushed me wide, didn't he? But I guess he was on the limit as well. What a shame. Ah, okay. Let's look at the other incident, shall we? Okay, so this was the start then. So we got away okay. And then what happened?
Run me intentionally. Okay.
So we've got people just banging into each other a little bit here. Oh, yes. And that was it, wasn't it? So we were lucky. Yeah, lucky to get through. Hit the wall, not too bad. Yeah, unlucky. Okay, what else happened? This is me, is it? No, that's not me. Dear. Not good. That was me coming through. Go all over the gravel. Just not helpful. Then what are they doing? Oh, yeah. Well, he tipped himself into that, didn't he? That was his fault. Okay, what's happening here? Is he just going to tip his rear end? Oh, that's nasty. Yeah, not nice. Okay, well, happens. Interesting race. Let's go and have a look at the results. So that was second split out of 6. Yeah, lost a bit of I rating. Safety rating, sorry. Got a bit of I rating, so that's okay. Best lap of the race, 27.6. That was George when he was following me. I think with the slipstream, I could have gone a bit quicker as well. But, yeah, disappointed. But that's racing, happens. Made a move on the outside. Always better to be on the inside, I think, but couldn't get there. But yeah, hard work to get there, and then it all fell apart. But never mind. Anyway, if you enjoyed that and you want to see more stuff like that, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.